This is the home ec video number 1. So we got this Miele dishwasher, which is probably one of the more expensive dishwashers. Interestingly enough, I didn't realize that you have to clean the... Oh great, it's dirty inside. Anyway, yeah, thanks.
Hey, at least I loaded up for you.
Yeah, this is... It's, yeah. So anyway, in the dishwasher there's a filter, and it needs to be cleaned, I would say, weekly. So it opens up. If I could get some more light in here. Didn't really help too much. This is the filter, and it twists counterclockwise about maybe, what is that? I don't know, that's like 1/8 of a turn. And you pull this thing out, and it's got a fine screen on it. The screen needs to be cleaned. Well, rather, the contents within the screen need to be cleaned. So yeah, so you get one of the most expensive dishwashers, and it turns out that you have to clean the screen yourself every week. What we have here is some spaghetti. Some other junk. So clean the screen out. Preferably use warm water, and you don't really need to use any soap. So you clean the screen out. Oh my gosh, I gotta stop that. Once you clean the screen out, you secure it in place. You secure this bottom flap in place. There's no food particles up on the top here. You drop it back in. Simply turn it clockwise, and you're done.